Hello, good evening to everyone. Welcome to TechEasy. Today in this video, we'll see the full-length review video of this Lenovo AMD Ryzen 5 5625u 16GB RAM laptop. So let us just open this laptop. The boot time is very less than 10 seconds. I just checked that many times. It is very faster. Okay. And see here, this is AMD laptop, AMD Ryzen 5000 series, AMD Ryzen 5 with AMD Radeon Graphics, which is IdeaPad Slim one, 15.7-inch screen, the display size, and ultra sim design, HD camera shutter. This is HD cam, and yeah, from Lenovo branding. The first thing I want to show you before talking about the performance is I'll just go to this PC and I'll be clicking on right click, then click on the properties, so that I can show you what is the system exactly about. 512GB SSD, 2GB graphic card, Radeon graphic card, and 16GB RAM, and AMD Ryzen 5 5625u with Radeon graphics. This is about this laptop specifications. Okay, going further, I purchased this laptop on July, means it's almost 5 months. After 5 months, by daily usage, I am doing this review video, so you can consider this as the real user review of daily tasks. Okay, I'll share you all the things what I have faced. I faced the issues and my personal experience about the performance and the gaming test I have performed. Everything I'll share you. The first thing is, see, I purchased this on the Lenovo, if you can see here, for 37,000, almost 38,000, and now also it is showing 38,000. If you want more details, I'll be dropping the link in the description for this laptop. You can check it. Okay, first of all, okay, this is the game being loaded here, Game Pro. Once it is loaded, I'll play and show you. And for the gaming purpose on this laptop, I did a detailed video on our channel and uploaded it. Yeah, see here, gaming on Lenovo AMD Ryzen 5 5625u laptop. 2 months back, I just uploaded this video. If you want specifically about the gaming performance and the FPS and everything, I played and did a detailed video. I'll drop that link in the description. You can check it. Let me close this. First of all, let me open this performance tab from clicking here, right click, then task manager. And I'll be just, okay, see here, out of 100% CPU, 100% CPU is being utilized, 83% of the memory. Remember, this is 16GB RAM laptop. Okay, disk space is 11%, network is 0. Okay, and the main performance is taken up by Google Play games. See here, 94% of the CPU and very little of RAM, because still the game is not yet loaded here. See, it is being loaded, and while it is taking full percentage, this is hexa-core laptop, 6 cores laptop. Okay, 6 cores laptop with 2.3 GHz clock speed. And even though it is loading here, my all operations, when I click on this Explorer, when I move through folders, or if I play any video, say for example this one, immediately it is responding. You can observe there is no lag at all. Even though, see here, the performance, the 100% CPU is being utilized now. Okay, Google Play games is taking total CPU and still it is handling very fine. So let me just double click on a video and minimize. Okay, and at the same time, what I'll do is I'll play one of the YouTube video and I'll minimize this, so that I'm just giving burden to this laptop, means I'm giving multiple tasks. And at the same time, I'll be opening Microsoft Clipchamp and I'll keep a video in the rendering mode, means I'm just rendering a video. And these, all the 3 tasks or the 4 tasks are heavier tasks. And just check once here, Totally on the Chrome, I opened 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 active tabs, means 14 tabs, not active tabs. 14 tabs I have been using at the same time. Now we'll check the task manager and see here 93, because it is 16 GB RAM. It is performing very good. Coming to the performance tab here, see. Okay, the GPU, as I opened the game, right, and I'm also rendering at the same time. So this 2 GB RAM is handling, and now if you can observe, there is a fan speed, heavy fan speed you can observe. Maybe I can keep it here. Yeah, now the fan is rotating very fast on this laptop to make this laptop cooler, as this is heavy processing going on right now. But you can observe still this laptop is performing pretty fine. Means, how can I say that? When I am just operating, when I am browsing through my Explorer, Windows Explorer, you observe there is no lag at all, and I'm using this wireless Botronics mouse with this USB dongle, and this is also perfectly working fine for the day-to-day life activities. This is working perfectly fine. And I installed Java here. Java is working perfectly fine for the students who are working on MS Excel, or one more thing, this laptop comes with MS Office 2024. So all the MS Office is free for lifetime. Maybe I can open this MS Excel. Okay, I'll be opening MS Excel. See how fast it is loading the programs. This is what a basic laptop should perform. Means, whatever the task we are using the laptop for, there shouldn't be any lag. Means the operation should be smooth and free. That is the basic requirement. And coming to the heavy end games, this is not that laptop suitable for heavy end games. For medium games you can play. I played Fortnite game on this, I played Wuthering Waves on this, and this got decently handled at the 50 to 60 fps. Okay, this is 60 Hz display. Okay, this is not 144 Hz display, this is 60 Hz display. So the fps is somewhat around 50 to 60. But at the time I noticed the heating issue and the fan speed I also observed. But this is not a gaming laptop, so for day-to-day tasks, for student purpose, for programming purpose, this is very good, and I'm very much satisfied. And you may ask, did I face any issues with that? Yes, that also I'll tell you. For multitasking, this is working perfectly fine. As I shown you, currently this YouTube video is running in the background, right? And this Windows Media Player is playing the video, right? And what else? This is rendering, right? 94%. See here, this video is being rendered, right? And now when I trying to use the laptop with the navigation purpose or for browsing purpose, I'll be just saying like google.com. If I search for any website, see, the results are very fast. So there is no lag observed, even though the main reason is, see here, my C drive is 202 GB free. So my C drive is clean and neat, and I partition with D drive whatever the data or games I install or the programs I install. I'm just installing in the D drive, so that I make sure that C drive is free and enough space for smoother operations. And this got hexa core, not 4 cores. This is hexa core laptop. Once again I'll try to show you this one. Under this PC, under properties, I'll be going to the, see here, 2.30 gigahertz, and this is a hexa core laptop. So 6 cores are being worked, so it is handling very smoothly with 16 GB RAM. Where is this? This comes with Office Home 2024, and this is the exact model. Okay, anyway, I'll drop the link in the description for this laptop, Amazon link, and if try to possible, I'll drop the Flipkart link in the view products. You can check. See here, 6 cores, 12 threads and 16 MB cache memory. So that's the reason it is able to handle daily task very easily. And coming to the issues I faced a BitLocker issue. This is mainly security issue, not a hardware failure or something like that. But one day when I opened the laptop, it's asked for the BitLocker key, and I gave the BitLocker key, and I did a video tutorial on that. If anyone are facing this BitLocker key, I did a video tutorial, and I'll be dropping this also in the description. If you want, you can check. This is the one issue, but very light issue. Within 30 minutes, I personally myself solved it. Okay, and one more issue I faced. Yeah, one day the laptop screen got completely black. So at that point of time, I was worried a bit, but I personally solved that problem too. Means that is not a issue or error with the hardware, just that is also a software issue. I called to the Lenovo customer care, and with their instructions I followed their instructions, and I myself solved this problem and did a video tutorial on that. Laptop screen is black but computer is on. This was the exact problem what I have faced like 2 months ago, but this is also got solved. But these are not the problematic issues or nothing with the hardware, just the software issues. So I personally solved them. And coming to the battery life for these daily tasks, 3.5 hours. The battery, I'm not that much satisfied, but decently okay. Battery is not that great. Okay. Coming to the gaming purpose, for medium to light to medium games you can play. For multitasking, this is very good. And you have Clipchamp, it is doing perfectly fine job. See here right now also it is just, and I kept video recording software. Even with the video recording, I kept now video recording software on the live, and still you can see the multitasking. You won't find any lags here. The operations are smooth. So if you do have any other questions on this Lenovo AMD Ryzen 5 5625u laptop, you can just ask in the comments. I did a detailed video whether it is suitable for students or not. I'll drop that also in the description. If you want check, please go through that. And if you like this video, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.